Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be making Outback Steakhouse Alicia Falls chicken. Now I know some of y'all like, what? Alicia Falls? It's the other version of Alice Springs chicken. Now I seen this on Beautiful Two Creations with Donna. Now this came from Outback not too long ago. Now if I knew they had that chicken, I would have ordered it. Now the reason why I named it Alicia Falls because we're in the season of fall, y'all. And I also put my own little twist. So Alicia, not Alice. All right, so here are the ingredients. Inside of here, I have my chicken thighs I cleaned, and I have that seasoned. I cut up some green onions, and I have it seasoned with a fish fry seasoning, a packet, just half, a little over half a packet. There's two come inside. Just seasoning with those two. I have my bacon that I already have cooked. I have my margarine, my parsley, garlic that I'm gonna use. I also have some mashed potatoes. I don't think they have mashed potatoes. However, I'm gonna have it. You need like a honey mustard Dijon sauce. I know they use mayo, the Dijon. However, I think with Miss Donna, she used like regular mustard and honey. I see this little beauty. Bourbon honey. I'm gonna incorporate that. And I have my regular mustard I'm gonna use and some mayo. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, now to a pan on medium-high heat. Well, it's the same pan that I made my bacon, sauteed up my garlic, which I pretty much had minced, and I had my parsley and I mixed it together. And I just sauteed a little bit and took that out. So in the same pan, I added a little bit more of that bacon grease. Yes, y'all. If I got that bacon grease, I'm gonna make it inside of that. So make sure the skillet is hot, and we're gonna put the chicken in there. Get a little bit sizzling. Just able to put 3 in there. So I'll put the other one in a little last. And just let that brown on each side for a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna take it and flip it over. Yes, y'all. Y'all see that crustification? I'm gonna leave that a little bit because it's longer, because it's really huge. And I put this in last. Scoot over. Make room for me. Okay, this is like an additional 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna put this thick one over, this big boy over. Now, of course, it's not done all the way inside, but it don't have to because that's why we're doing the rest of it inside. All right, so I'm gonna take the ones that's ready out and put that inside a pan. Now this is how it look. Like I said, of course, it's not done inside, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what to do next. Lord's will. Okay, so I have my chicken resting. I have the marinade that I had with the chicken in, with the onions and everything. Now I did add like a half a cup of water, and I put like a tablespoon and a half of that margarine. So now I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons of mayo and put that in there. I'm gonna use like half a cup of the mustard. Now I'm going to use the bourbon honey. 3 tablespoons. I'm just going ahead and mix this up. Now I don't know why I didn't taste this mixture before I added it to this this marinade, because I forgot the marinade had the raw meat in it. I don't do that. Now I might dib and dab in the raw egg in the batter, but raw meat, that's a no-no. That's a no-no for me. But I know my skills is on point. So what I'm gonna do is just trust the process. I'm not gonna test that. Get somebody else to do it. Alright, now I'm gonna get my bacon and just rip it up. I know they use mushrooms on theirs. If you see my video when I made those mushrooms, now I'm just getting it to mine, really. I don't know about nobody else's. Now, of course I'm making this, so I would have been mine. But I was like, I'll probably do without it. So yeah, that's what I did. So I don't have the mushroom. Okay, now I have the bacon on there. Now we'll put the mixture on. Now I can't tell you it smells good. Alright, now I have a block of cheddar cheese that I shredded. I'm gonna put it in the oven now, let y'all know how long it took and what I put it on when I get back, Lord's will. And after 20 minutes on 350, Alicia girl. Yes. Y'all can tell me. Rest a little bit and then I'll get into it. Hey y'all. Alicia. No, not Alicia Keys. Alicia Falls. It's my twist. And tell me why it smells so good. And tell me why it looks so good. Yes, y'all. I'm just getting to it. You know, you usually have gravy for this, but my gravy is the sauce that was left over from the chicken. My potatoes was already with the sour cream, and I just add a little bit more stuff to it from the chicken. The mashed potato, you can tell it's like sour cream. However, you can taste like a honey mustard taste. This is good. All right, let me get this chicken. I'm trying to get this without the mashed potatoes, but when I tell you these mashed potatoes is a hater, like you just can't let me get this chicken by itself. You feel me? Like you gotta be a part of the show. I already had you. I want a chicken. Yeah, that was good. You could definitely taste like that honey mustard taste. Am I tasting the bourbon per se? I know bourbon is alcohol, but if you watch a lot of my, if you watch when I get that bourbon ice cream, that's all I'm gonna say right there. Cause with that ice cream, you definitely could tell alcohol. Like I said, that's all I'm saying right there. With this, I don't know if I'm getting bourbon. That was good. That was the bacon, but like the hint of that honey mustard. I think what that honey do is add that extra like sweetness. I'm trying to think of the right thing to say because I'm not a drink connoisseur, a liquor connoisseur. I know liquor head. Yeah, if you know where that's from, you know. Add it with that mustard, it's good. And then you know bacon is salty, but me adding it with the honey mustard taste, that bacon is good. Just like adding that sweetness to it, sweet and salty. You know I love that. Now I'm tired of using this fork, trying to be sophisticated, trying to be etiquette, trying to be proper. I gotta use my hands because this knife is not really getting the job done how I want it. This is good. I'm pretty I knew they had this in Outback, but either way, it don't matter because I made it. Delicioso. And I think they use skinless. I'm not sure, but I want to have the one with the skin. But if you want the skinless, by all means, go right ahead. Skin for the win. Enough of y'all send me eat. I'm gonna rate this. You already know. 10 out of 10, baby. If you vegan or something, you probably can get broccoli or Brussels sprouts. With the bacon, I don't know if you want to use turkey bacon. Some people like it. Meat, not so much. You probably can make this little concoction with that. It's still gonna be good. But as far as me, I'm gonna eat that chicken. But yeah, 10. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Hit this recipe up. Y'all have a blessed day.